Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cosmic Arc. This is episode 1 of a new series called Cosmic Basics. This series will be dedicated to teaching you about the basics of the cosmos that lies beyond Earth. This episode is about the solar system's basic layout. This is meant to be a very basic episode that you will get used to more advanced episodes next. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Our Earth is in the solar system, a collection of planets, asteroids, and many other astronomical bodies orbiting the Sun. The solar system is home to many strange and wonderful places that we will talk about in Cosmic Basics. First, we must begin to understand the solar system. The solar system center is the Sun. The Sun is a massive star, which all planets orbit. The Sun effectively divides the solar system into 3 temperature zones that exist because of the Sun. The first zone is the hot zone. The hot zone is, as the name suggests, the closest zone to the Sun. In this zone, water is unable to exist. We find the 2 planets of Mercury and Venus. Water cannot exist here because of the intense heat, otherwise it would evaporate away because of the Sun's intense heat. The next zone is the cold zone. This zone is, well, cold. Water exists as a solid in this zone. The cold zone is the farthest from the Sun and encompasses Mars and the outer planets. Lastly, we have the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone. This zone is located in between the cold and hot zones. The habitable zone can sustain liquid water and thus can sustain life. The only planet in this zone is the Earth. Remember this zone as it will be mentioned in future episodes. Ahead of Mars, we have the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is a collection of asteroids that orbit the Sun and create a border between the inner and the outer solar system. All the planets of the inner solar system are classified as rocky planets, which means you can stand on them because they have a solid surface. These planets are also the 4 smallest planets of our solar system. Next up, we have the outer solar system. This part of the solar system lies in the cold zone and is made out of 4 planets. The first 2 of the outer solar system are Jupiter and Saturn, with Jupiter being the largest of all the planets in the solar system. These planets are extremely massive and are classified as gas giants. Uranus and Neptune are the 2 farthest planets from the Sun, with Neptune being the farthest from the Sun. They are gas giants, but they are classified as ice giants because of their low temperatures and blue color. Beyond the outer solar system is the Kuiper Belt, a massive collection of cold objects orbiting the Sun. This will be touched on in future episodes. These planets are called gas giants, and are entirely composed of gas. You can't stand on them. Most of these planets have many moons, some with more than 80 even. The solar system is a massive place with 8 planets and many other objects orbiting the Sun. This episode gave you a short overview of the solar system. If this episode seems very simple to you, it's intentionally done that way for people wanting an introduction to space. This was Cosmic Arc, and I'll see you in the next video.